Lemons are a versatile, natural option for cleaning, beauty, cooking, and much more. Not only do they smell and taste great, but they possess antibacterial properties, making them perfect for killing germs. Next time you eat an orange or a grapefruit, or squeeze a lemon or a lime, save the peels. There are so many ways to use these peels. Lemon peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the juice itself, including vitamins C, A, beta-carotene, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Hi, I'm Lida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will present 10 uses of leftover lemon peels. Number 1. Air freshener. If you don't have a fireplace, you can simmer lemon peels on the stovetop. In a medium-sized pot, combine lemon peels with vanilla, cinnamon sticks, and water. Simmer over low, periodically adding more water when needed. Number 2. Make dishes sparkle. Lemon not only acts as a degreaser, but the citric acid found in lemon also helps remove spots from dishes. Throw lemon rinds with the pulp into your dishwater to help remove grease and make glasses and silverware sparkle. Number 3. Remove grease or underarm stains on clothing. If you have half a lemon that has been squeezed, there will still be enough lemon juice in the remaining pulp to remove stains. Rub the half lemon on a grease or underarm stains on garments. Allow it to sit overnight. For tough stains, sprinkle a bit of baking soda over the lemon-soaked stain and scrub, then wash as usual. Number 4. Clean soap, scum, and hard water stains on shower doors. Hard water stains are due to minerals in water, and soap scum is the result of the minerals in your water reacting with your soap. Take half a lemon rind with pulp intact, sprinkle salt inside it if desired, and rub directly on shower doors. Rinse well when finished. Number 5. Refresh and sanitize cutting boards. Lemon does a nice job of eliminating odors that are trapped in your cutting boards. It also sanitizes boards due to its antibacterial properties. Take half a squeezed lemon with pulp intact and rub vigorously over a cutting board that has been sprinkled with a coarsely ground salt. Rinse well and allow to dry. Number 6. Remove odors from hands. If you have lingering odors on your hands from chopping things like garlic or onions, rub lemon rinds on your fingers, nails, and hands to leave them smelling fresh again. Number 7. Deodorized garbage disposals. Smelly garbage disposals can be freshened up with leftover lemon rinds. I'm always careful to put smaller chunks down the disposal so it doesn't clog. Number 8. Lemon facials for toning and skin brightening. Lemon's low pH makes it a perfect skin toner. You can rub the inside of a juiced lemon directly onto sunspots and age spots to lighten them. Just allow the juice to dry on skin or rinse off after 15 to 20 minutes. Number 9. Smooth and soothe dry, scaly elbows. This is the perfect trick for softening elbows that are dry and scaly from winter weather. After juicing a lemon, take the 2 halves and sprinkle baking soda inside them. Stick elbow inside lemon half, twisting and turning the lemon on your elbow to exfoliate and soften. Number 10. Burn lemon peels for fragrance. Toss your leftover fresh or dried lemon peels in your fireplace or wood-burning stove to add a delicious lemony scent to a room. Dried peels will help ignite the wood around them because they contain oils that make them burn longer. That's 10 uses for leftover lemon peels. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it to your friends.